in the suggestion your video came in, and the title of your video was a bit interesting.
Okay.
That's why I opened it your channel and everything. So I got to know that I need to connect with you.
I see. Did you listen the video, Raj, and did you read the full corporate offer?
Yeah, I read it. Yes, I read it.
Mhm.
But I'll be frank, but I didn't read it in full detail. I
Mhm.
just had a look on it
Mhm.
because I was traveling, and I was on my lunch. At that time, I was scrolling down the YouTube.
Mhm.
So I haven't read it full yet.
Oh, I see. Okay, tell me, Raj, what can I do for you?
Yeah, first, ma'am, what's your good name, ma'am?
My name is Wilhelmina. Remember you watched me on video? That was Wilhelmina.
Yeah, that's the name is your name, right?
Yeah, that woman is Mrs. Wilhelmina Ford. Mm.
Okay, madam.
So what is your business in India? Tell me.
Madam, we are into the gold bullion refinery business.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, so you refine the gold bullion, is it?
Yeah. We have a refinery.
Mhm.
We have a licensed refinery,
Mhm.
government approved refinery in India,
Mhm.
and we we are not getting the procurement. We are not able to procure the Dore bar.
Why? Tell me why you didn't get the gold.
Because see, frankly, I am associated with these the refinery license company. Okay. So there are not many guys in India who are into the refinery business.
I see. So you mean to say, Raj, you have a license to import, is it?
Right.
So you are allowed to import gold in India. Is that right?
Yeah. See, importing a 995 and 999 gold is a different thing, and importing a Dore bar is a different thing in India.
Okay. Well, gold in Africa.
For Dore bar,
yeah.
You should have a refinery license.
Well, we are the seller. Okay, may I give you, I think if you watch the video, May 14, all right, I explained that the gold in Africa is a Dore bar. That is a raw materials, and you can refine it to make into different uses, to make into gold bullion, you can make into jewelry. India is a gold lover. They can make it into jewelry. So India is a short supply right now, because I think your government has restriction to import. So if you have the license to import, there would be no problem. But if you don't have a license to import, then you have a problem. Most of the Indian, they open their company in Dubai. They can import any amount of gold. So tell me, how long you been searching gold for your business?
From 2021.
Have you found the right supplier?
No, ma'am.
Any reason why you did not find the right supplier?
See, I have been a couple of times to Africa.
Yeah.
Then I figured out that I was in the wrong country. I was sitting in Nairobi.
Nairobi's gold is coming from Congo and is smuggled into Nairobi.
Yeah, but there are a lot of con mans over there.
Exactly, because the gold is smuggled, and you need to have a license to export. Yeah. So
with whom I am associated, so we work together, and my associate had lost somewhere around $1 million.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, you know what, Raj? I'm telling you, the reason why most of the buyer lost $1 million like you do, because you think that gold is cheap, and you think you're looking for the cheapest gold. Gold is not cheap, my love. Okay. Gold has a value. I always mention that on my YouTube channel. Gold has a value. There is a saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. The buyer doesn't make the rules. The country who produce gold makes the rules. Most of the buyer fly to Africa, they break the rules. What happened? They lost $1 million like you did. One American lost $1 million as well. One buyers from Dubai lost $24 million as well.
Oh my God.
And my
24
seller
million
also,
dollars.
my seller also lost gold, the 450 kilos in Paris, worth $24 million as well. So vice versa, because there's so many crook in this industry.
Yeah.
That's right. And believe me, the crook buyer would not meet the criteria because I am the extension of the seller. I stop it. I told my seller, do not believe on buyer. That buyer cannot show their proof of fund that they have $1 million.
Okay.
If you don't have $1 million to show me that you are really capable to pay, I wouldn't believe it. I will only believe it when you show your credential. Then you find the right seller because my seller produce gold.
Okay. Okay.
So how can I help you this time?
So, so how I can, if I want to proceed with you, how I can proceed?
Well, number one, you have to show me your copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund. Okay? Go back on that video. I want you to listen. I want you to read. I want you to follow the golden rules of buying so that you will not lose your $1 million again.
The proof of fund, right?
Bank
So
statement.
how
Just only
so
bank
how
statement.
bank statement?
That's all. Bank statement. Yeah.
Okay.
That bank statement of yours to signify that you are really serious buyer. Yeah.
Okay.
That's all.
Wonderful.
Then we will send you the confirmation of your order. How many kilos you want on the first trial?
See, around 10 kgs.
Yeah, 10 kilos. Okay. 10 kilos. Okay. Don't you know that our selling price less 8%?
No.
Don't you know that?
No, you just mentioned it, right?
On that video, May 14,
No,
what?
no, madam. See, I haven't seen your video. I just got the video. I read the title. I read the description.
Yeah.
In that description, I got your number and I straight away messaged you.
Okay. I want you to go back and listen again. Okay.
Okay.
I want you
Okay,
to
sure.
go back, listen, and read the full corporate offer. Then you get back to Mrs. Ford. Then we can do business. I will put you in Conakry, Guinea.
Okay.
I will place you in Conakry, Guinea. And if you're gonna bring the gold to Dubai, for example, you never know, you might you might change that you will stop over in Dubai. Dubai to Conakry is one stop. Emirates Emirates flight 3 times a week.
Okay.
So that May 14, the video, I want you, if you have time, don't rush. You listen to that video and then click below. You read the full corporate offer. Then you come back to Wilhelmina. Then you can tell me, Wilhelmina, this is a long-term supply. Then we can discuss business.
Okay.
Our price is flexible.
Okay. Okay.
So is that make sense now, Raj?
Yeah, right. It's making. So, I have a, so this 8% discount on LBMA, right?
That's correct. Whatever the world market price, this 8%. But don't worry, because when you read the full corporate offer and listen to that video, come back, I will give you the very good price. Don't worry about the 8%. Just listen to that video and read the full corporate offers. Then you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, can we get the flexible price? Yes, you will. Yes.
Okay.
The price is flexible because you're buying directly to us. You're not buying to chain of middlemen. You're not. See? You're not passing through the chain of joker broker.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
am the gatekeeper here. I'm the one interviewing you right now.
Okay.
So you have to convince Wilhelmina in order for you to get the flexible price.
Right. Okay.
Mhm. So that is the
No
reason why
problem.
you have to convince me that you can afford. You just like when you apply for a job, you will be
Right.
interviewed,
Right.
right?
Got it. Got it.
You got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
So what is your business there in India? Do you own a shop or what?
No, we are into jewelry business,
Uh-huh.
and also the bullion business that we are trying to start up
Uh-huh.
from 2021, but we are not able to start up, and we had made a losses.
So this time you meet Wilhelmina, you will not lose $1 million. You will not.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah.
I'm gonna be
So
with you from the beginning to the end. Mm-hmm.
yeah. So there are also we are like there are also a group of friends who are in this business, but they have a separate licenses. Okay.
Okay.
And they're with us. We always travel in group,
Mm-hmm.
and they have also lost money with us. And
Where they went? Where did they go? Why they lost money? Where?
that same thing like how we lost it.
Yeah. Why you guys fan of going to Nairobi? That Nairobi, the tax is too high. Why are you there?
Like
Yeah.
the babies doesn't know from where to start. Okay, small babies.
Well,
we were like a we were like a small babies. We didn't know
but you're
where
a
to start.
businessman. You should know that.
Yeah, I should know that. You are right. You are absolutely right. But as I told you that I was in the wrong country, and after that I got to know that Nairobi is not safe for doing this kind of business. Tanzania is very safe. Uh, I would say the Burkina Faso is safe. Ghana is safe on the west coast. So after that, I did my studies and like do the proper like due diligence. Then I got to know that like this way this business operates.
Well, Africa is a safe place to purchase. The only danger that you will encounter if you are dealing with the seller that offer you cheap price. When the seller
Okay.
offer you cheap price, think about it. Gold is money you're buying. Money is
Yeah,
not
right.
cheap. Gold has a
Money is not cheap.
value. So that is the reason why every day I encounter buyer who come to me. They search on YouTube and they found Wilhelmina. When I interview them, they don't meet the criteria because they are bargainer and they want CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. That is the impossible. This is FOB, you must remember.
Yeah.
You inspect what you order, you like it, you pay for it bank to bank because of money laundering. That is the reason why you lose money, because you think that you can get the gold cheap price. No, gold is not cheap. You go to Burkina Faso, you would not get gold. They will only give they sell 2%, take it or leave it.
Okay.
You would not get the gold in Burkina Faso. Even in Mali, I've been to Mali, I brought the buyer. You will not get cheap gold in Mali. Mali is the
Right.
third
Okay.
largest gold producer in West Africa. And Conakry is number 8. Category number 8. You would not get the gold for nothing. This is money.
Right.
So that's the reason why you lose $1 million.
Right. I'm aware of this thing.
Now you are aware now.
That guys were offering me somewhere around 40 to 45,000 per kilo.
See? Who offer you the $45,000 per kilo? Today the price of gold is 76.
This point made me concerned, right? I
Yeah.
will admit it. This point made me concerned. But my associate, we had a discussion, but my associate was pretty much convinced.
Your associate has a conflict of interest. He didn't look after you.
No, and he was, but then somewhere around like, see, he's the guy who is putting the money on the table, right? Okay, he's the guy who is putting the money on the table. So at certain point, I had to stop. I told him that this is something fishy. Like, why would be gold so cheap?
That's right.
The world would be sitting. The world would be sitting here. Why the gold is so cheap over here?
Yeah.
So
It's just very funny. Why the 45 is only 13 carats and you're buying 22 plus carats?
yeah,
That $45,000 is the purity is 75%.
the purity was around 91%.
No, because when you offer, right? When you offer 45, that is not just I'm gonna have a look on the world market. Mm-hmm. Okay, the 45 is 14 carats. There are two kinds of gold, high grade and low grade. Right.
High grade and low grade. Right.
But you are a businessman, you should know that. Even the low grade, you can make into a false state. $1, $2. There is still gold.
Right. Mm.
So high grade, you can make into jewelry, you can refine it into 99.99.
Yeah, 99.99 or 995.
That's correct. And 23 plus and 96, 97 purity. That is high grade.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So there is a rule in India that the Dore bar purity should not be more than 92%.
See? Even 92% can make into 99.99. You must remember.
Yeah, definitely. We do it.
See?
Are aware of how to refine it. Yeah.
Yeah,
We
because
do it.
because here in Brisbane, I went to the refinery in Brisbane. Okay, I took one buyer that he lost money in Nairobi, and he met me in Brisbane because his son live in Brisbane. So we have a lunch in the city, and I took him to the office in the city. Even 92% of gold can refine into 99.99.
Yeah, definitely.
See?
There is no like hard thing to do it. Yeah, there is
Yes, most the buyers are naive. I believe me, I know ins and out of gold. I know.
Mhm.
So you're lucky you found Mrs. Ford. You are very lucky. Wow, for a year you've been searching for gold. Now you found Wilhelmina.
The person is appreciating.
My gosh.
Self-appreciating.
My gosh. I see. Now,
Okay.
I want you to go back to that video that on your WhatsApp that you give me a link.
Sure, definitely.
Take time. I don't want you to rush because you're buying
No.
you're buying $500,000 here. 10 kilos is more than $500,000. So I want you to listen to that video. Digest it
Definitely,
properly.
I will go through it.
Mhm.
Once I reach home, like on the comfort place, I will definitely listen to it carefully, and I'll call you back.
So when are you intend to purchase because the price of gold is getting higher? When are you going to intend to secure?
See, right now, let me be like a crystal clear. Right now, see, one of the license is under the renewal period. Okay. So Indian government gives the license validity of 2 years. Okay. So right now we are under the renewal period. So we'll be applying for the renewal, and I expect within the next this month, the August month,
Okay.
we'll be getting the renewal license.
I see.
Yeah.
But even though your license is on the process of renewal, you can still bring gold in Dubai because you have a license. Just only a process to renew. Yeah.
Yeah, but we don't have any company in Dubai, so.
No, I mean in India you have a process to renew the license, so you can still bring gold in India. Yeah.
No. So the license has expired day before yesterday,
Oh.
and we have applied it, and so we have to wait for the month. It's a regular practice in India, so it's nothing to worry. It's a regular practice. All the guys go through this thing.
I see.
Okay.
Is this a long term that you are really buying gold or just a short term?
Yes, ma'am. We are into long run. We are planning for a long run.
Okay.
Yeah, we are planning. If the discount is good, like we will try. Everybody here is to make money.
Of
I
course,
should agree
you
with
will
you.
make profit. You will make profit. You will not be involved in gold business if you don't get the profit. Yeah, you will
Yeah,
get.
definitely.
Yeah, that's we are fair. You're buying direct to the main producer. I am just only a gatekeeper.
Right. Okay.
I open the gate and I close the gate.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Right. Right. Got it. Yeah.
So if you meet the criteria, then the gate is open for you. If you don't meet the criteria, then the gate is closed for you. Hmm.
Sure.
I'm very tough. You must remember.
Sorry.
I'm very tough. I'm very strict.
Okay. Tough. Tough lady. Okay.
Yeah, because I don't want to. I don't want you to lose $1,000,000 again.
Right, madam. Right.
Right. So, nice talking to you. I want you to
Yes,
listen to
ma'am.
that video that you've given me, the May
Yeah.
14.
Okay.
Take time. Then you come back to me tomorrow.
Yeah, I will. I will.
All
So
right.
where are you located right
I'm located in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. The gold is in Conakry, Guinea.
Australia. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Australia.
Yeah.
Conakry.
Conakry, Guinea.
Right.
Yeah.
So from you'll be sending gold to from Australia, right? Or
No, no,
Conakry?
no, no. The gold is coming from Conakry. You have to travel with me. That's why I want you to listen to that video because you need to understand. There is no gold here in Australia.
Okay.
This is only my virtual office. Yeah, you come to me, I interviewed you. Yeah. Next time when you come back to me, you open your camera because I want to see you. Hmm.
Conakry, it's in
It's a West
Guinea.
Africa. No?
West Africa.
Yeah, West Africa. Ghana, Sierra Leone, Mali is West Africa. Nairobi is a
Okay,
West Africa.
okay. Okay,
Zimbabwe.
Sierra Leone is the neighboring country.
Sierra Leone is a West Africa.
West Africa. And Conakry is the neighboring country of,
Yeah, that's
right?
correct. That's correct.
Correct. Located right. Okay,
Yeah.
Conakry is the west coast of Africa.
Yeah,
Burkina Faso, Mali, and everything. Okay,
that's
okay,
correct.
okay. I just opened the Google Map, right?
Yeah.
Locating.
So you must remember, I always say that on my video. He who has the gold makes the rules.
Right.
You don't need to make rules. You pay for it. That is the rules. Payment is bank to bank. Because of money laundering.
Yeah, the payment will be bank to bank.
Exactly. Payment is
So,
always
so
bank to bank.
you work on this basis like this, the SBLC and everything?
We don't. We don't.
No. Okay.
I'll
Okay.
tell you, buyer using SBLC, he has a shortfall of cash flow. Why?
Okay.
SBLC means standard letter of credit. You are going to use the contract to show that to your bank in order for your bank to give you the money. Gold is money.
Right.
We
Right.
don't entertain. This is FOB. If you're asking for SBLC, then I'm gonna tell you, good luck and thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. This is it.
Okay. Okay.
So think
Okay.
about it. Start a trial because we don't know you and you don't know us.
Right.
When you build your credibility, we might consider.
SBLC. Okay.
We might. But you need
We
to
might.
you need to convince us on 3 to 4 shipment. Yeah?
Okay.
On a
Okay.
big quantity. We don't give our gold for nothing. You have to pay for it. There's always a payment. This is not upfront. You must remember, I'll give you an example, Rads. I walk into your shop in Dubai, in India. Your gold will not be given to me without any payment.
No, I will not.
Exactly. Exactly. Now you're talking. Gold is not for credit. This is cash
No,
business.
gold is never for the credit. It's midnight money.
Exactly.
Anytime you can sell it.
Exactly. So now I'm talking to the intelligent buyer.
Yeah. So,
You are intelligent. You understand the business. Those the dumb buyer, they don't understand what is gold. They ask for CIF, cost insurance and freight, LC. So that kind of buyer is a poor buyer.
okay.
You're not poor because you lost $1 million. You're rich.
Yeah, but the $1 million is a big thing for me, man. It's a very big thing.
You're
So
rich.
that
Yeah,
$1 million has put a very big dent on our company finance.
exactly.
And
See?
I know that we are looking where we are in the talks with the investors also.
Yeah.
And from God's grace, like we are like the investors are also getting on board mostly.
You will get the supply for long term because my head office own the mines. He produce gold. And when we send you the contract, you will see the company profile of the head office. But
Okay.
before you receive the company profile, you need to convince me. I need a copy of your business registration, importation
Sure.
license, and
We
the
will
bank statement that you have $1 million. Without that, I wouldn't believe it.
So the $1 million, like if that's necessary for the only $1 million, or
Oh well, if you can show me more than $20 million, we would love to. We would love to welcome you. That
I will show you once we start the business. Then I will show you the after 1 year. I will show you
Oh yeah, you need to
my statement is
you
worth
need
now
to
$20
build
million.
you need to build your credibility to my head office. That is very important.
Okay.
Because once the head office that trusts you, it is really running smoothly. Running smoothly, you would not go nowhere. But on the first transaction, yes, it is very crucial. Why? You don't know us and we don't know you.
Right.
So once you build your 2 to 3 shipment or 4 shipment, we might review that. We might consider, but don't bank on it. Because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. I will be the one to sizzle the head office. Because I am interviewing you right now.
After credibility, after proving credibility, what things will you reveal?
We will discuss that on the meeting. We will discuss that. I'm not going to give you preempt because you have not established your business relationship with us.
Okay, got it. Right.
Yeah, just like when you feel comfortable and your payment is on time, my seller might consider by Wilhelmina's recommendation. I have to recommend.
Okay, got it.
So you got it? You're really a wise businessman. You are a wise businessman. You understand the business.
Right.
All right?
So, no problem. I'll discuss it with my associates. Okay. And we'll try to get this thing. Okay.
Okay, listen first to the video. And tomorrow, I will call you or you call me tomorrow with live video call. And I want to ask you the summarize because I want you to summarize what did you learn out of that video.
Sure. I will definitely
try
to listen it today. Okay?
All right, thank you. Thank you very much about our conversation.
Thank you.
Well, good evening. Today is July 30. The time here is 10 o'clock in the evening. I work 7 days a week. This is my virtual office. Those buyers who found me on YouTube and Facebook platform, when you come to Wilhelmina, you are going to be interviewed. You are. Because if I don't qualify you, you wouldn't get this supply. This is money you're buying. Most of the buyer lost money. Yeah? Because they think that gold is cheap. No, gold is not cheap. Today, the price of gold is 2,390.44 per ounce on the world market, which is 76,855 in dollars term. Now, end of this year, the gold will turn to 3,500. On 3,500 per ounce, 3,500 per ounce times 32.15. This could be the price. I don't know if you could afford it. Yeah. Only the big spender can afford to purchase this precious mineral. But if you are just fly-by-night business thinking you can buy 1 kilo, 2 kilos, we don't. You wouldn't get it. And we don't sell cheap price either. Whatever the world market lists, 8%. But however, you convince Wilhelmina, I'm going to assist you. I'm going to help you to get the fair price to the head office. If you big tons of gold, I'll bring you to Mali. Mali is the third largest gold producer. We have 10 tons of gold. But gold is selling very fast. So I will determine which seller I'm going to place you. I handle Conakry, I handle Sierra Leone, I handle Mali. Go on my platform on Facebook. You will see who is Wilhelmina. My transaction has been successful. I'm gonna be with you on the ground. And I do charge my services. You know how much I do charge my services to accompany you? $20,000, take it or leave it. Next year, I might increase my extra service to $25,000. Why? Do you mean to say I'm going to fly for free? Gold is not for free. I am going to be with you from the beginning to the end. I'm going to assist you in the office. I am your business tour guide. And if you cannot afford, to me, you are a fly-by-night businessman. That $20,000 is peanuts. In return, I could give you a fair price. Instead of 8%, I might consider to give you 12%, but don't bank on it because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. Now, I just finished having an interview to this buyer from India, and I told him, go back and watch the video on May 14. Because I have a date. I always update the price. Now, just a moment, I'm going to see the price of the day. Just bear with me. Okay, price today, July 30. I'll go to the world market. So the price of gold today is 2,386.65 per ounce. So the price of gold, it fluctuates every half an hour. What you have to do, Mr. Buyer, don't come to Wilhelmina asking what is the price. Our selling price based on the world market, LBMA less 8%. You would not get cheap price, I'm telling you. There was a buyer, a broker, and the buyer paid his services. He charged $30,000. He went to Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe seller of gold give this buyer 3%. How did he got my number? He searched on YouTube. I have hundreds of video because time to time, day by day, I always update the price of gold. So bear with me. Always watch the video that you found on my YouTube channel. Don't come to Wilhelmina by excitement. Listen to the video, and even on this video, listen to this video from the beginning to the end and read the full corporate offer. Subscribe and click below. Read it before you come to Wilhelmina, because I'm giving you full vital information. There's a saying, information worth $1 million. Therefore, you're buying $500,000 here. No such broker providing you this kind of information. None. I'm giving you worth $1 million of vital information. You're lucky to find this lady. I'm very strict, and I don't buy bullshit. Excuse my language. Yeah? I am your business facilitator. At the same time, I'm the seller gatekeeper. I will open the door for you. I will open the gate for you if you convince Wilhelmina. If you don't convince Wilhelmina, the gate is closed for you. So today is July 30, 10 o'clock in the evening. I close until midnight because we have a time difference. So I've spoken to this buyer from India. I told him, listen to the video, come back, and let us discuss business. In this video, The full corporate offer is on this video. Click below and subscribe time to time. When I update the price, you will be notified when this video uploaded into my platform on YouTube. Go and find the link. You can go on my platform on Facebook. Very extensive. You don't need to ask, well, Amina, send me the procedure. You are not paying attention really. The procedure is already on every video. So, Mr. Buyer, whoever you are, pay attention. Watch the video that you found from the beginning to the end. Then you click below, subscribe, read the full corporate offer. Then we can do business. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Today is July 30, almost end of 2024.